How to set up stand in Roblox, please donate. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Gamepass and please donate and set up your stand so people can start donating Robux to you. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and head over to Roblox website. Make sure it's the official one and log into your account. Now at the top of the page, click on Create. If it doesn't take you to the Creator Hub, simply type create.roblox.com in the address bar and press Enter. Once you're in the Creator Hub, look at the sidebar and click Creations. Choose one of your existing experiences, or you can use the default experience that's totally fine for Please Donate. Now scroll down the left-hand menu and under Monetization, click on Passes. Then hit the Create a Pass button. You'll see a default image, but if you want to customize it, click Change. Pick an image from your device and upload it if you want. Next, give your Gamepass a name. I'm calling mine Gamepass 1. And you can add a description if you want. When you're ready, click Create Pass. After that, click on your new Gamepass to open the settings. Then on the left menu, click Sales. Enable the option that says Item for Sale. Here, set your price in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% cut, so you get 60% of the sale. Once done, click Save Changes. Now head back and double check your Gamepass is listed with the correct price. If you want multiple donation buttons, just repeat the same process to create more passes. Now it's time to set up your stand in the Please Donate game. Open Roblox and join the game. Walk up to an unclaimed stand. Hold E on your keyboard, or tap and hold if you're on mobile to claim it. Hold again to customize your stand, or click the pencil icon on the side. Under Booth, you can choose different designs for your stand. Some are unlocked after getting a certain number of donations. And then select text to change the message displayed above your booth. Type in whatever you want people to see. Something catchy or fun usually works best. You can also customize the font, text color, outline stroke color, and even its opacity. When you're happy with how your stand looks, hit the X to close settings. And that's it. You now know how to make a Gamepass and set up your booth in Please Donate. If this helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox tips. And I'll see you in the next video.